Alpine Linux is a security-oriented, lightweight Linux distribution designed for simplicity and efficiency. It uses Mussy libc and BusyBox, making it extremely small and fast. Alpine works by providing a minimal base system with a hardened kernel, ideal for containers, servers, and security-focused environments. Its package manager, APA, supports easy installation of essential software without bloat. Strengths include a minimal footprint, strong security defaults, and fast boot times. However, Alpine's minimalism can be a limitation for users seeking a full desktop experience or extensive software repositories. It requires more manual configuration and is best suited for experienced users who prioritize security and performance over convenience. Alpine excels in environments where stability, security, and resource efficiency are critical, such as in Docker containers or embedded systems. Arch Linux is a versatile, user-centric distribution built around simplicity and customization. It follows a rolling release model, providing the latest software updates continuously. Arch works through a minimal base installation that users expand by installing desired packages via the Pacman package manager. Its strengths lie in flexibility, extensive documentation through the Arch Wiki, and a vast user community. Arch empowers users to build a tailored system from the ground up, making it ideal for those who want full control over their setup. However, this level of control comes with a steeper learning curve and requires manual configuration, which can be challenging for Linux newcomers. Arch is perfect for users who value up-to-date software, customization, and are comfortable managing their system actively. Alpine Linux and Arch Linux serve different needs despite both being minimal at their core. Alpine is optimized for security and lightweight operation, making it excellent for servers, containers, and embedded systems. Arch, on the other hand, offers a bleeding-edge, customizable experience suited for desktops and power users. Alpine's smaller package base means fewer pre-installed tools, while Arch's larger repositories provide more software options. Alpine's Mussy libc and BusyBox contribute to efficiency, but limit compatibility with some software, whereas Arch uses the more common glibc for broader support. Choosing Alpine means prioritizing security and minimalism. Arch offers flexibility and control, but demands more user involvement. Choose Alpine Linux if you need a secure, lightweight system optimized for servers or containers with minimal resource usage. Opt for Arch Linux if you want full control, frequent updates, and a customizable desktop experience. Both are powerful, but your choice depends on whether security or flexibility is your priority.